Here we come to the elevator at the City Plaza Center garage in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Schindler. Look at that, it said 5 on the indicator.
No, S.
Oh, S.
For straight.
Oh yeah. Capacity 4,000 pounds. This is a Schindler. That didn't sound good. Installed in 2013, and here we're on 4. I'm gonna see if the button works outside.
No. That does not work.
Can you see if it? Can you close the door and see if it? Don't close all the way. Just hit door open if it. Nope, they don't work. Unfortunately. Street. Now it's not working.
1.
So that's.
I guess street and 1 is like.
Nudge mode.
Yeah.
Yeah. Schindler doesn't run very good, but it works alright. HT Vandal resistant. And look at that, it says S, even though we're on 1. I mean, it's accelerated, but we're gonna...
Yeah, there's a door on this side, but you can't use it.
I'm gonna see if it opens for me. Hang on. Oh, it's not leveled with it. So, anyways, no chime. Basic cab. It's a GL interlock. Oh, it's an ECI. GL Canada. Basic cab. Anyways, I think here it goes. And nudge mode again. That's it.